Well, for a bank holiday Monday, we've been quite busy this morning. We've harvested quite a few bits and bobs out of greenhouses and out of the container garden as well. And we started making up some fresh batches of sauces from all those tomatoes that we're getting. And I have done a video on how I do that if you're interested. But we've got a lot of tomatoes over the last few days. So rather than waste anything, that's why we do what we do with them. And then we can freeze them in portion sizes for what we need. And they'll be perfect in autumn when we want to start making soups and curries, pizza sauces and spaghetti sauce. From what I've seen that we've picked so far and what I've already actually got cooking on stove, we're going to have quite a lot to go at, and obviously the harvest isn't over yet. I'll show you what we've picked so far and what we're doing with those tomatoes. Looks like we've got a ripe pepper on here. It's only tiny on this plant, but it's done, so we'll take it off. Still a nice little pepper, and plenty more to come on these plants and all. And yet another cucumber, quite a big one that as well. We'll take that off. Very good sized cucumber that. And it looks like it's time to take this pepper off as well. Slightly bigger than the other one. But it's perfectly ripe, so let's get it off. The others, not quite ready yet, but they are getting there. I think I might have spied one at the back actually. Let's move this over. Yep, we've got another one there. Slightly black on one side still. I think I'll leave that just a little bit longer. Some of these chili peppers need to come off now as well. Perfectly ripe. That one's perfectly ripe too, so we'll get that off. Another nice one. They're going to be hot peppers, those. We could actually take and harvest the leaves from these lettuce if we wanted. But I think I'm going to leave these just a little bit longer. And we're getting some decent sized baby spinach leaves as well. And over the weekend we've stocked up on fertiliser. You get these from Poundland, £1.50 a box, all different types, at the 1 kilo boxes. It's really good value for money. And it looks like we've got another cucumber as well. That's a really nice ripe one, that. So I'm going to take it off because we can use a couple of cucumbers a week in different things. But I might as well take it off because there's another one there, and there's also quite a nice one on this plant. I'll leave that a little bit though. Just spotted another chili pepper on this planting ground. Any right ones, take them off straight away. In fact, there might be another one. No. So we'll add that to the collection. Well, another busy morning, harvesting yet more tomatoes. Loads and loads in this container. And we've already started with a previous batch, making up sauce. And we also got these this morning. Loads of little cherry tomatoes, more French beans, and a few blackberries and strawberries. And these tomatoes are bubbling away nicely now. We'll just keep these on a simmer and it'll reduce this down and make us a nice thick sauce. But definitely a really good harvest we've had today. Lovely tomatoes, French beans, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, hot chili peppers, and now those ripe sweet bell peppers. And we've got that fruit soaking in a bowl to clean it, and then we'll just cut the tops off, put them in freezer for when we want them. And we've already got about 4 big bags of those in freezer already, and we've took a couple of peaches as well. They're still hard, but they'll ripen off at tree. So a pretty good harvest all in all today. Got lots and lots of things on go. We've got lots more still to come as well. But for today, it's been really successful. And if you want to see what else we harvest over the next couple of weeks, then please just hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell, and we'll see you all then. You all take care. Thanks for watching.